In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit and click on connection and sharing. Following that, select printing section and click on System Printing Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different printing service, you need to disable this one by tapping on blue sweater. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Now install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!